What's going on, everybody? This is Moments with Marcus. I'm Marcus. This is our moment. Today, specifically, I'm going over my new single, Ring It. And first of all, I want to give a big shout out to the sounds library. I picked this sound. It was a very, very unique sound to me. And as soon as I heard it, I just started mumbling the lyrics to the song, or what ended up being the song. But I want to go through the beat. I want to go through the rhythms as they came to me. I want to review some of the things that really stood out to me about this. So that sound is so bizarre and strange to me that I had to figure out what it was. So I downloaded it, and it turns out that it's a piano loop at 114. But here's the catch. The time signature, this thing up here, was set to 3/4 and not 4/4. Now, those of us who play instruments understand the difference between 3/4 timing, which is more of a waltz tempo, and a 4/4 timing. If you know how to count bars, a 4/4 measure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, and then it resets because that's a 4-bar loop. 3/4 timing is 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. You see what I'm saying? So that's a very weird count, especially for contemporary music. So when I heard it, immediately I had to do something to it. So first thing we did, let's start down here, get a stretch of music. So obviously we have the loop. So now the important thing to remember at this point of the beat is I'm just trying to make sure that I can create a sense of rhythm for myself. So I took this 3/4 timing sample, and down here I chop it in a way that it fits into a 4/4 schedule. But I have to find what the 4/4 equivalent of this 3/4 signature is. This is the part that gets advanced. You have to understand that 3/4 timing and 4/4 timing are no different any more than a song at 90 BPMs and the song at double the time of that are the same thing. And once you understand how to translate from one BPM to another BPM successfully, you'll kind of understand what makes this song so special, is that it's two different time signatures slammed into each other. And then lyrically, it's two different genres of music slammed into each other. So it's four completely separate things juxtaposed together into something very unique in a sense. But it's not over the top. It's in a pocket. Very unique. All right, so from here, I needed something percussive that would send me over the top and make me love this song. I've always loved the busyness of this kind of percussion. So now, the biggest challenge here, the bass line. I wanted it to have two different feels. I wanted it to have a very like pressy on and off, like it hits and then it stops. Then it hits and then it stops. Then it hits and then it stops. Kind of making you desire to hear it more. And then I wanted to have another section where it's there and you can just ride with it. You don't have to ask too many questions. You don't have to think too much. You could just vibe with it. So those are the two things that go into this bass line here. And if you notice, there's actually a mistake that I had in there.